Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can update the Netflix payment. So, I will be teaching you a very easy step regarding that. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app or Netflix website and then log in with your account and then choose the profile that you use to watch Netflix, and then you'll be over, and then once you are over here, this is your, let's say, account profile, or let's say account of Netflix website. So here you'll be having a lot of details about your account, like membership details, and you can update your password, transfer profile, and do many things over here. So for your updating payment, what you need to do is you just go to over here, you see this manage payment method, just go over here and then you can update it from here. You can update from here, or you can add a new payment method. You can have credit or debit card or PayPal. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.